Okay.
That
She's
is
recording.
recording.
Yes. Elena, send it afterwards. Okay.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, I like
Hope
your.
so, hope so you like it, Alan. Because in a very hurry
Wow.
schedule, we have bought this.
My goodness. By the way, Arvind sir, like, what a picture! Where did you get that from?
You should have shared it with us, Arvind sir.
With me that
Sir,
frame or
should have shared
something,
it with
so-
us. We did not plan
Hmm.
this actually.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness!
Send it now.
Sir,
We
this
will
is
apply
on
this.
Zoom. Arvind sir, this is on
let
Zoom
me-
filter only. So this
is
is we
Zoom
haven't
filter, sir.
done anything. It is Zoom filter.
This is
So you
Zoom
can get
filter.
that.
Hey, no, Parmeet.
Okay,
Arvind,
then-
let Arvind sir
But keep
send
this, it is looking nice. Don't change it. It is looking nice.
Yes.
Arvind sir.
I want to,
No.
add something
Of course,
South
sir.
Indian style, like Mohan
No.
Lal or somebody, in
No,
background.
Arvind sir, you can
Wow.
send this
Yes.
to us now. Did you
This is
like?
amazing.
I'm glad you liked it.
Wow.
I used to have one before, which was exactly like this, but black in color. So, wow. You guys knew exactly what I like. Even the color is also my favorite.
I'll join, I'll get an important call.
That shows we know you well.
Okay, Arvind
Okay,
sir.
Wow.
Wow, nice.
And brand as well. So we're very much happy that you liked it as well.
Watches are
looking
one of
good on
my
you.
weakness. This
Varmeet,
is awesome.
everyone, thumbs up for this. He liked it.
Wow, that's nice.
There's even a small bracelet.
Yeah.
Yes. You're gonna be all exercise now.
You know, Alina is like, I'm also coming to UK. I want all these farewell gifts.
I told you. We already
Email
told
just to get gifts. We'll give it to you anyways.
No.
Alina,
She told
Alina
us.
told you right after. I was saying we already communicated, like once Corona, everything is gone, we are going to go to UK for not a farewell, but for a party, which we are not able to to UK and say bye there.
Yes, definitely.
After you settle down and call us
We are
also.
inviting ourselves.
Looking
He's
nice.
not inviting, we are
One
inviting
more.
ourselves.
Alan, there's one more box you need to open.
Yeah, one more box.
Yes, I'm just excited about the first. You guys brought 2 gifts. Wow. You guys are. Is it a frame?
Yes, okay.
yes.
Wait. Guess it. Guess, Alan, guess.
It's a
Yes.
frame.
No.
See, now
Oh.
that we want to come there, visit you, so we thought, you would need this.
Don't give
You need to
clue.
clean this full.
Sorry, sir, don't give
Just
clue.
so that we can come there. So,
So you
I
can
am. You knew about this since a long time. She was asking me, hey, any plans for 9 at 9? What anything? Yeah. Yeah. So I was like, I have a meeting with Sims, so anything for that time. So I didn't know she was a part of it. What could this be? Okay, I'm just gonna wrap
Okay,
it.
no problem.
What? What is this?
just a lot of boxes for a tiny gift inside.
Oh, my favorite color. Hey. Hey.
We won actually.
So you have to keep this full, right, Alan? So
Yes.
I hope you're always blessed with good
Yes.
health, happiness, and a full wallet.
The watch is for
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
the time.
So now, whenever I'm taking out the wallet, I'll be like, "Oh, Sims."
Yeah.
No, if you're
Whenever you're
seeing the
looking
time,
at
also
the
remember
time,
a
you
thing.
think,
Oh yeah.
Sims.
Now when I look at the time or this, I'll be thinking about you.
now it's I should say good time
This
begins
is our
now.
wishes for you.
Yeah.
Blessed with good health, good time, full wallet, and all of the good things. So yeah,
And
all
good
our
cash,
blessings
good dollar.
and warm
Good
wishes to you.
Good
Alan.
pound, yes.
Pound.
Pounds. It's going to UK.
Oh, this means a lot. I mean, I didn't
All
expect
right,
it
thank you so
at
much.
all.
Let's have a pic together.
Thank you,
everyone.
Elena. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Elena. for
Elena.
this.
To join. Have a
Tanya
picture.
and Varmeet, you know what? He was actually down when
well.
he was
What?
meeting
Sorry?
Actually given something to Elena as well.
Can you hear me?
Elena will get once she's going to UK. We have done that. We have done it.
And it was 2 cars away from us. Down when you guys came.
Oh, really? When was this?
So you went to meet your friend. right?
Yeah, yeah.
So when I came up, I'm coming up, hoping he's not the hall. He was right next to you. What? So he saw everything. He said, no, the car was facing the other side. So I don't think he saw.
Oh my
I'm like,
goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh, good.
I didn't know that. Usually they park the other way, right? Others would have seen this.
So you guys were in luck today.
True.
Completely shocking.
Shiraz has
Yeah.
joined. Yeah.
Shiraz.
Thank you so much,
Shiraz
Alan.
is
Thank you
behind so many
much.
surprises.
This is
Wow.
a surprise, I think, also for Shiraz. I think so. Is it Shiraz?
No.
Do you want to comment on that?
Yeah, he don't know the
Tanvir is
surprise.
This is a
Tanvir is
surprise
my
for
colleague.
Shiraz as well.
Okay.
He's telling something. What happened, Shiraz?
Tanvir is my colleague next to me.
Okay. He gave the information. Oh,
Hope you
okay.
understand.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, Shiraz, open your camera. Let's take a picture.
Arvind sir,
Everyone
open
who's
your
in the
camera.
meeting, let's
Sir,
have
he's in
a
meeting. He's in meeting.
Come.
He got
You
a
also
call.
come.
Okay. Alina,
Yeah.
come on. You can also come.
Let's take a photo. Ready?
Do you guys want to do a crazy one?
And
Wallet also.
no, wallet is next.
Education.
You want to point
Wallet is
at
not visible.
I'm kidding.
Pradnya.
Okay, ready? Come on. 1, 2. Where is Tanvir? Tanvir has not joined. Okay.
One common pose, girls. Everyone one common pose, no?
Okay, like this.
The Sims do usually.
So
I
this,
don't know.
this.
Hey, Alan.
Yeah, do A.
This.
What is this?
Alan, A is missing. Sleeping lady is missing. I
A
can't
for
try.
Alan? Okay. Okay, like this.
You don't do that.
But my face will be not visible then.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Yeah. Varmeet, you want to say something? One by one, we'll tell if anybody wants to say. Otherwise, it will be a cloud. We won't be able to hear anything.
I don't want to say anything because I don't
Okay,
think
Alan,
so.
Alan sir, I wanted
He's
to tell you
going
one
only
thing.
from
Alan sir, it was very nice and meeting to you in the Toastmaster. I remember when I gave my first icebreaker, you were there, and
Yeah.
you have given me a very nice appreciation note that you are doing a great job. I was very much confident at that time, and with same level of confidence you have motivated every time in every contest also. So I will miss you. Now in the further meeting, I'll miss you. Thank you
That
so much
means
for
a lot,
whatever you've
Sakina.
given to me. You have been a great source of inspiration and motivation. Thank you so much, Alan sir.
Thank you, Sakina. I remember, like before I attended Sims meeting itself, like Zainab was telling me, like, Alan, whatever you do not show your true colors over there. Okay, just be calm. They are very sensitive. Okay, so go over there and just observe. So that is what I did. I was mainly observing. But I don't know. I think somehow I also started, after observing for some time, I think I started speaking with everyone itself, right? Because when I saw the club, I was like, there's a lot of potential here. What is Zainab talking about? No ways. they are sensitive, because whatever Zainab told me was not how I felt about Sims Toastmasters Club. When I saw your meeting, the quality that was there, and from what I was told earlier, it was completely different from what I saw. So that is why I kept telling everyone, like, there is a lot of potential in this club, and I know you guys are going to reach places. And I'm so glad that Sakina, you were able to know about that. And then Farisa was also there. I'm glad Farisa took up the role of a president. I like to see more leadership opportunities. So glad that everyone is taking one by one chance to experience the president role and experience it yourself as well.
What Zainab ma'am must have seen was our first year, and we were actually very sensitive and touchy at that time, because we had no clue what we were doing. So maybe that was the impression that she got. By the time you came, we were a bit settled, so we had already changed a little bit our course. So maybe that's the difference you saw. And from my side, what I'd like to say, I've always treated you like a younger brother. You have been like a younger brother to me. And I thank you for everything that you have always done for us, especially for the club. You've always been there. And I hope we all have a connection also in the future. This is not a goodbye. This is just us appreciating you for us, supporting us so much. Thank you.
You will definitely join the meeting, no? From UK also?
Yes, of course. But like I said, my wife first, because I haven't seen my wife since more than a year. So I'll be spending as much time as possible with her.
Don't worry, we won't disturb you before the meetings.
Last time when you had a Sims meeting, I was like, I wanted to join, but then a lot of things were happening at that time. So I just couldn't show my face. And yeah, Faria, regarding what you said about a younger brother, that reminds me about the time when I came into the, it's been some time since I attended school. And whenever I attend school, it's usually to get punished or something like that. Bad experiences. So when I came in and saw teachers calling me sir, I was like, I was in denial. I was like, please don't call me sir. I don't feel like a student. I don't know where I am right now. I'm so confused. Let me just be in Toastmasters. So I'm glad that you consider me like a younger brother.
And especially Varmeet, I think she was like adamant for at least this year, as long as he has the higher hierarchy, he is sir to us, so he will remain sir to us.
That bit of Alan of not calling me sir has not been fulfilled. Like till today, you still hear that from Sims, like sir.
No, I will.
See, even my line of...
So please carry on.
No, I was just saying that as a software engineer, we have a full course to tell us not to call anyone sir or madam. Even in our emails, we usually say hi, then the person's name. So if anyone by mistake says sir or madam, they'll be like, hey, what are you saying, man? Oh, I'm lecturer or what? So this is the usual thing that happens in the software engineering, in the IT world. So I'm not used to sir or madam. So when I heard that a long time, these were the thoughts that came to mind. Yes, Varmeet, what were you saying?
I was just adding on to Faria's conversation. The first time when I moved out, and I still remember your first message that gave me confidence to come out and attend any other meeting in some other club. And I made sure that I bring others also with me so that they can also experience what I was experiencing. So I just want to say thank you for giving us that. I'll be very honest, it was just that those words that kept me motivated and to attend different clubs and grow. And the way I used to trouble in when I was a president. So I know how I used to keep messaging you, bugging you, and you were so patient. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's like this. So
Patience
thank you so much.
I mean, patience is a very big quality that you have, actually.
Varmeet, if you weren't messaging me, I would have been messaging you, because if you check with any other presidents or any other ExCom members, they'll be like, "Oh, this guy is messaging me a lot." Oh, that's how it is. So I was actually glad as an area director that you kept updating me with each and everything. I was really happy with it. And see, I tell a lot of people to go out there to different clubs. Most of them don't listen to it. Most of them are scared, still scared. But to actually do the action of going out there, that takes the courage. And I applaud you guys for that. You know, you did it. Even to this
So
day.
then I should say, sir, I should say, because you told, I'll be very honest. I think so. I told before also, I said these things. Those words that if you have any problem in Toastmasters, if you feel, though you won't have, just let me know. So that gave me confidence. There's like I am where I have to go.
Yeah,
because
exactly.
I am that kind of person that I don't explore so many things, but that I felt secure. That's why I moved out. So thank you for that.
And now today you are known everywhere. I think everybody knows you. I think in Sims, she is the most outgoing, right? I see her in every contest at least.
Yeah, every contest, every
Universal
meeting you can.
person, not just in Kuwait, in Bahrain, India, everywhere.
Exactly.
In that also, I would say it's his fault, because he never taught me to say no. He told me, yes, you should accept this. So he never told me to say no. And that's the thing. I cannot say no, and I'm accepting roles and being no. So thank you for that.
Yeah, like especially the contest chair role, like when I was contesting and when I got to know you were the contest chair, I was like, oh, I remember the first time I was guiding you to be the contest chair. So now it has come full circle. So I was like, now that gave me that confidence to go out and speak as well. You know, I was so glad that you had introduced me as one of the area as well. And I also won that. So thank you, Varmeet. Which later on I was defeated by your club member itself. So.
And I'm so happy. For that, I am so happy.
Yeah, I would actually like to hear from Faiza.
Okay, Pradnya, you want to?
Alan, first of all, sorry, like, I feel really sorry that, I should say this. And in fact, I should catch my ears for this also. I don't know. Because, from the beginning, when I saw you the first time, it was like, should I call him Alan, sir? But it was like everyone was calling you Alan, sir, Alan, sir. Let me just, follow their steps. So I started calling you Alan, sir. But, I know very well you must be really very small from every one of us. And especially from me, the oldest member of this club. So first, this apologies. I should have not,
You don't even have to apologize for that.
Then, secondly, you've always been a guiding, a mentor, a guiding star, a true guiding star in sense. Like wherever we felt like, we lost our ways, were confused, you always took out and that smile on your face, that laughter, we could just, whatever worries we had, with your laughter, it just mellowed down. I really feel that. And whenever, after each contest, it was like, you should, that personal message, that personal, appreciation and all that, it was really motivating. And I've learned so much from you. And when in the contest also, your name, and I said, now it's just impossible. I won't go further. Seriously, I felt like that, I won't go further because it is impossible. I've learned so many things from you, Alan. Seriously. We have all learned, each and every one of you. we have learned so much from you. You have always motivated us and, shown us how to go further, not to lose our, wherever we feel we are lost, not to, give up in life. That's what. And when it was pandemic time, it was you only like who encouraged us to come for online meetings. So it's like, I think wherever we have gone further, it's just because of you, Alan. Seriously, with the bottom of my heart, I say that. So I really wish you success, and whatever you want in life, you could achieve that. Looking forward to see you in UK. Please call us now, Alan. Also follow you.
Definitely. Faiza, let me tell you that when I was placed third in the division contest, no doubt I was upset, all right, because I was not going to division. But then second place was Sairam, and I was like, oh, yes, because when your mentee achieves something even more than you, that is a real, accomplishment that we have as a mentor. So when I heard Sairam was second and he defeated me, I was like, okay, that motivated my spirit. So I was already happy that he got second. And then first place, when I heard your name, I'm telling you, I was so happy because Sims was finally going to DTAC. I mean, I remember Area is where I met Faria, and that is where Sims had been at that time. So, one of my dreams, which was silent, was that Sims need to keep upgrading, because as and when you keep contesting, you go up, right? I went to the division, and then in the next year, going to DTAC, that was amazing. So I couldn't be more happier, because we, the reason why we support, why we mentor and we provide our feedback is for everyone to grow, right? And when you take that feedback and when you implement that and when you succeed in life, that is like, these are like the reasons that these are the moments of joy. And you will know that as you're mentoring people right now, as you're mentoring your upcoming new members, and when you see them succeeding, like, I don't know who Tanvi's mentor is, but I know, yes, Pradnya. So when you see Tanvir now, and when you see Tanvir later on improving himself, I'm sure you as a mentor will be really proud to see that, right? So that was the reason why I really loved mentoring. And whenever you implement, you are one of the clubs who, whatever feedback I give, you implement that some way or another. So I was really happy with that. Whenever Varmeet used to tell me that our club is not winning awards and not doing great, I used to tell her, like, your club is implementing whatever I'm telling you guys to do, and that will have an impact. And it did. One of the best things was Sims opened up, and it's not just the club members, right? So definitely, even after you have physical meetings also, there will be a drastic growth. There's a lot of potential. So I think I'm keeping on going and going. I'll stop.
Arvind sir, you want to say something? Arvind sir and Tanvir, you want to say something?
First of all, where did you get this picture from? Where is this uploaded? Is it uploaded on my Facebook?
Yeah. What I can say, all the words grabbed by all the teachers. There is no other words I can see in English to price a person. I don't think. My vocabulary and knowledge will not enough to search another some words to say good for Alan. Well, I met Alan in meetings, of course, long time friend. As you people, everybody said, each one said one quality. Really, he got a lot of patience, and he is helping nature. And I like the smile always. Really, that I like. Whatever he's doing, he'll do with smile. So that is a very good thing. And also, I don't believe about giving a material thing and he'll keep me in remember. But as a good person for Alan, I'll do remember him always in my puja. And for him and his family, all the best and all the success. So he's one of the best person. I think I have a few people in Toastmasters fraternity, all in my 12 years, journey in Toastmaster. Alan also one of the person I can remember for a long in my life. I wish you all the best, Alan, and be in touch. Like everybody requested you. I don't need visa, okay, but at least I want to know your good things and success in the life. Okay, keep posting. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you, DTM Arvind. Thanks a lot for your blessings as well. We definitely need that. So
but this is actually funny. In Toastmasters, what we get a connections and everything. We will need some information, all these things. You are above from that. You own the hearts of the people. So that is blessing for you. So that is a really good thing. Good luck. Okay, all the best.
Yeah, like. I mean, I don't know if I would have.
I sorry to interrupt. We only have got 4 minutes in this meeting, so if you want, we can do it again. Or
rejoin.
And maybe you can say if you want to say something.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hi, Mr. Alan. Hi. I have not met Alan sir personally, but I have been witnessed his speeches, and I'm really a fan of his. And I always take with Shiraz, like I always talk about you. We have not met, we have not spoken any time, and it's a great opportunity now to wish you all the best for your future ventures. Wherever you go, you will spread the smile, I know. And you will create the same. And I'm sure that whatever your legacy you are leaving behind, Sims will take it further, inshallah. Yes.
I didn't create any legacy.
Wherever you go, you will shine, I know.
Yes. Wow, Tanveer. I mean,
thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Tanveer. I think I haven't had much interaction with you. We haven't, but I remember you from the Speechcraft program. And now when you spoke right now, I was thinking like, oh, Tanveer, I was thinking maybe Tanveer won't have anything much to speak about, but what a fantastic speech. Did you learn all this after being in Sims? I think you got stuff.
Unstable, yeah. He's actually
I was actually quite surprised Tanveer spoke all that. That was fantastic. Thank you, Tanveer. That means, I mean, see, I didn't create any legacy. For me, I was just guiding the members. The legacy that was created in Sims, I know that you guys will be taking it further to the next level as well. I'm really happy with the way this club has been progressing, and having new additions like you. I'm not sure about. We haven't connected much. I don't know your specialty, but I know that you will be having some ideas, because whenever you have new members, they will bring their own creative ideas into the picture. After Speechcraft, when Sims was having meetings, there was some innovation somewhere or another, and I know that kept going. So keep your creative ideas flowing, because you have a wonderful team here in Sims. Whatever idea you throw at the XCOM, that is Gurmeet, Faria, Pradnya, Sakina, Faiza, Farisa, Shiraz also, and Arvind, our coach, is not a coach right now, but still a guidance factor. Whatever ideas you throw, they will try to make it a reality. So you are in the right club, and I hope to see, when we speak next, I hope to see more from you as well. I know that you will grow further into great heights.
This meeting will end. I want you all to join back again, at least for 10 minutes, with the same link.
Sure.
Is it
because
okay,
I'm
Alan?
waiting to hear from you.
Oh, for me?
To hear from you, Pradnya. You need to join back for another 10 minutes. Parisa, our president, spoke first. But yes, yeah. So yes, definitely you can collect your thoughts now.
Let's join back.
All right, let's join back.
Yeah, let's join back.
Yeah. Yes, why not? Yeah,
Alina,
first,
are you getting? Then we will come.
let me see. Based on your behavior, I will decide. Wow,
See,
this
she's helping us a lot. So yes,
Yeah.
she should get visa.
Yeah.
She has all her friends.
Yeah, this is, I mean, I completely didn't expect this at all. Like, it means a lot, you know. I'm out of words, actually. I don't say I'm out of words ever, but I'm out of words to express because I didn't expect this at all, you know, because when I'm giving my time and when I'm supporting, it is not because of my responsibility or because I have to. It is just simply because of the joy that I see in people growing. So, I mean, I honestly didn't expect a gift. These are just, I mean, I really don't need a gift. When I see you guys grow, that itself is like enough for me. So, yeah, whenever I see expensive gifts, I'll be like, oh, I feel a little awkward. But thanks a lot to you. It means a lot to me.
You can give it to me.
No, I'm not giving it. You're grabbing all the gifts, by the way. I have to hide all my gifts.
No, you cannot grab that, Elena. I've told you this often. Yes,
Don't be surprised if she walks into the Sims with this watch.
Yeah. No, Alina, don't worry. You don't have to travel or leave Kuwait just to get gifts from us. Just join our club. That'll do. We will shower you with a lot of gifts.
I am proud of you. Now I know it is succeeding.
All right. Don't want to take a lot of your time, but just want to conclude with this. These things, these gifts, which you're saying, it's not really gifts, just our wishes for your happy life, for your future. And like I said, whenever you look at your watch, remember the good times which you spent with each of us. Whenever you use your wallet, remember that we want it to be filled with all the good things that you wish for. You always be blessed, and you will always remain in my prayers, and in fact our prayers always. So don't worry about that. We wish you guys the very best of luck for everything that you guys do, not just you but your family, Alina included. So much. It's just a way of us letting you know how much you've touched our lives, you know, like individually, without you even knowing. And you don't have to leave. I mean, you didn't have to leave Kuwait. I would have told you anyways, and I've never called you sir because I've always felt quite connected. Like I've told, we've also talked about how we feel Alan is just a Google for us. Like any doubt we have, we don't Google, we message Alan. Alan, what do
Varmit, no.
For us, like whatever we need, we don't Google it. We have that option, but that doesn't come to our mind. What do? We message Alan. And sometimes it's like, who is the fastest person to respond? Alan. let's just call him.
This I've
done that.
Actually,
Alan, I don't know.
We are facing this actually. I mean, if we have queries, if we ask other people, we have to wait. I mean, seriously, we have to wait for a response. But exactly what Fariza said, that you are seriously that go-to point. If you need a quick reply or a clarification, you are the go-to point for us.
I always say now, Alan is Google. You have any problem, you are stuck, go and you will get a solution. It will want that maybe. You will get a solution 100%.
Well, this comes after me going after my mentors, eating their heads to a point. Like Rajesh used to tell me, like, you know, you can go to Google and search this thing, you will find the answer there. Why are you calling me? So I have also eaten my mentor's head. So when I was area director, I faced similar questions. So it was very easy for me to answer at that point.
But you never gave us that reply that why don't you Google and check it out? You always gave us an answer. So we just, you know, it was very convenient for us to not Google and just dial Alan's number. I've done that a couple of times.
No, we use that.
You are not a
director. Fariza, that was our Google. We were going to our Google.
Yeah. So thank you so much once again from the bottom of my heart, from all of our hearts actually, and wish you all the best.
Great. Thank you.
Have a great
And
Thank you so much, Alan. All the
so this
best
is
for your future.
All the best.
Good
Thank you.
luck, good wishes, good wishes for your
All right.
future.
All the best. All the best.
And may you
This is
have
great to know. So initially, whenever I was coming, you guys were nervous, right? So now this feels like an open invitation to visit Sims Club meetings anytime, anywhere. And yeah, so, so
We will
glad
be
to hear
glad. We will be glad to see you in our meeting. Seriously.
that. I'll definitely be doing that. So
Now lots of UK people will be joining the meeting.
I'm expecting very soon a club to be starting there, because I'm sure initially he spent time with his wife, but very soon, you know, when he gets over that, he'll be like, what should I do? Who should I mentor? Let's open a club here.
He already connected. He already connected there.
Enough with mentors and clubs. Now I'll be doing family planning, so I'll have my own to mentor. Yeah, it's high time. In my 3 years of marriage, I have only seen my wife for 1.5 years. It's it's so.
How long have you been in Toastmasters, Alan?
As possible, no?
How long have you been in Toastmasters?
I got married in Jan 15, 2017. Oh, Toastmasters. Yeah, Toastmasters March
Don't worry,
2017.
he is remembering his wife, so this is the answer he's coming out from his heart.
Yeah, you're missing too
What
much.
was the topic, and suddenly it got.
Even she might be eagerly waiting there to meet you.
Yeah, I joined in March 2017. Yeah, and the farewells that I'm getting from everyone, like even some senior Toastmasters are calling and saying that, man, we haven't seen such farewells from anyone. That means you have people really love you. That means. So I was like, yeah, looks like it. So it means a lot, you know, having this meeting and sharing your thoughts with me. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll take a photo. Ready? One more.
Yes.
Yeah, do that. Love for Alan.
My heart is
Forever.
loaded. Double heart. Who can do that from my side? Ready?
It was the reaction, Pradnya.
3.
Oh, my heart is not very clear actually.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a very blessed life and a very good night to everyone.
Now, before going to UK only, you have turned into full pink, huh? Alan, your face is
Pink?
completely pink.
Oh, I like that. Oh, you guys can see me blushing from here. Wow, that was a good one, Sakina.
All the best. I'll be ending this meeting, but we're not going to end our connection ever.
Yeah, true.
Yes,
All the best.
definitely.
All the best.
All the best.
All the
Alan.
best,
All the
Alan.
best. If you change the number, please.
Actually, we don't want to. We don't want to leave. Also,
Yeah.
kids are waiting, but we don't want to leave. That's your
I know.
persona, you know.
Even my wife is waiting. Wait till I tell her about the new gifts. She'll be like, "What?" Yeah.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye bye.
All the
Thank you,
best.
Elena. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Alina.
Bye.
Thanks, Alina.
Alina, you be in touch with us.
Yeah, true, Elena.